Alright, what's up guys? Basic Nerf here again, and I'm unboxing the Vortex Pyragon from Nerf. This new feature, it has first Vortex blaster with slam fire and highest capacity from Vortex, 40 discs drum mag. So let's get to opening this. I want to see some box art first. Nothing on the sides, nothing at the bottom. Oh, it looks like there's going to be a nitron with an extra mag and a shield, so look out for that in the future. Bada boom. Bada boom. Drum discs. Discs? I guess they're in here. Yep. 40 discs, instruction manual. And a cartridge and a paratree. With a bunch of cardboard apparently, so let's put that there. Let's just chuck that cardboard. Because this is what we want to get to. Anything special here? Let's see. Disc eject switch, removing the drum mag, firing, slam fire. Well, pretty much we know the basics. So, here it is. It's got an orange color. Orange/red. Ooh. I like it though. I like the color. Big old drum. So apparently, I cannot move this yet. Well, we'll load up the drum, fire off some shots. Ooh, 40 discs of Vortex ammo. Look here. Compared to the green one, should be easier to spot in the grass. One shot. Oops, it fell off. One shot. It's a little on the hefty side, but as you can see, let's just pop open 10 of the discs and save the others. So, ooh, has that same little release trigger like other Vortex blasters where it just kind of drops it right away. I'm liking these colors though on these blasters and the disc. Very vibrant. Should be easy to see in the grass. But right now Nerf has, if you're a fan of the Vortex, you're definitely gonna like this. Because Nerf has addressed the two biggest possibly weaknesses of Vortex, which is the kind of low magazine size and the slower rate of fire compared to N-Strike stuff. This is slam fire now. Let's give this a try. There goes the Vortex discs bouncing around again. Oh, I'm out of ammo. Alright guys, and that was the new Nerf Vortex Pyragon with slam fire, 40 disc drum, and awesome paint job. I'd say it's worth the $40 it's going to retail for. But that's the video guys, hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned to my blog and my YouTube channel for range tests and photos, more photos of these new blasters. Thanks for watching. Bye.